Introduction. Since its launch in 2010, Udemy.com has become the go-to place for people who want to acquire new skills through online video training. There are now more than 30 million students from all over the world and over 100,000 courses available. A lot of online marketers have tried to generate significant passive income through Udemy and have failed. This is because they made a number of mistakes that this training will help you to avoid. Many Udemy instructors do not sell many of their courses because there is no demand. In this training, you will learn how you can avoid that very costly mistake. Imagine spending days or weeks creating a great Udemy course only to have nobody purchase it. You need to research the market properly and validate all of your Udemy course ideas, and you will learn exactly how to do that. Udemy videos must be of the highest quality, so you will see how to create this with the minimum of equipment that will not break the bank. Once you have created your high-quality Udemy course, you need to promote it. Many marketers just let Udemy do this for them, but this is never enough if you want to make serious levels of recurring income. Everything that you need to be successful with Udemy is in this training. If you follow the best practices offered, then you will maximize your chances of success. So please watch this training from cover to cover, and then roll your sleeves up and create the most lucrative Udemy courses. Once you have created your first successful course, you can just rinse and repeat to build your passive income levels.